Hey guys, and welcome to Igloo. And today I'm going to be talking more about just a few things that are in the background. Just a few, because I have an update for you when it comes to most of what I've been working on when it comes to like just 3D printing, and also for this little bugger. I'm going to show him like almost finished at the end so that you guys can like figure out and be like, yes, we want it. But it's not going to be complete just yet because my last part is actually annealed, and we're going to walk through a few different things. So the first thing I'm going to be showing is pretty much my new printer. All right, so that one over there, that sucks. Okay, that completely sucks, like utterly, and I just been having a hard time like working with that, and that's pretty much everything that I have on over there for my prints and stuff. So this guy right here, he's actually really good. Like he's probably the best. Oh my god, the focus. Focus! There we go. All right, he's focused. All right, we're good. All right, so one of the bigger things that came down to my designing process is that I wanted to have something that offered pretty much one of the best qualities that you can do for printing. And I needed to have the best kind of spacing for all of my prints. And I recently got one, and it's currently in the oven. Now, of course, I'm going to be working with different designs, different processes, like I've been working on when it comes to my 3D prints. My current thing is the Vince Lombardi trophy for the Super Bowl, right? And as you can see right here, if I can zoom in, right there, you see all those lines? Those were under extrusions. Now, no matter what I did, that first printer, the Anycubic one, could not do anything at all. And it just kept replicating. Now, I did it with PTG. I did it with almost everything else. This is PLA. And then this is Volcano PLA. And I'll talk more about that in a little bit. And it's just been having so many problems that I really just couldn't figure out exactly what I wanted to do. And it finally turned out to be like one of the best things that I could actually work on. So as we come to the kitchen, and no, it's not a house tour. Don't mind the mess. It's messy because I'm under construction for everything, and I'm just gonna work on that. So coming out of the oven, that's the new one. It's definitely below what you're supposed to do whenever you anneal a part, that you make sure that it goes really, really slowly back to the temperature, and I should definitely close that back. And yeah, we're going to be, say hi, Poonam. Can you hear me, Poonam? Say hello.
Hi.
Hi. Hey. So once I have everything else done, I was able to just like sit down and just work. Now this is not done yet, and it's my first hard tube setup when it comes to just a full balls to the wall setup. It's a 2080 Ti when it comes to everything. It's really, really well. I still have the stickers and everything. Don't mind these. It's not done yet. Okay, it is the 9900K. It has a terabyte of M.2. Everything goes through one pump because pretty much when it comes to thermodynamics, it's based on the amount of cooling area that you have. So I have one 360 mil rad and another 360 mil rad. And because I have those two, it's really good. I might be trying to do something with the switch later, but I mean, it really doesn't need it. And I've just been having a lot of time because I sold one PC that I had on Facebook Marketplace, and I've been pretty much doing some buy sells, and I've been having a lot of progress on eBay. So I've been really working on that. So I'm going to show probably at the end, like on how finished that this would be before I take this bugger out, right? So I got to take this bugger out, got to sync the lights, do like whoosh, magic, and then I should be pretty good. But then, like, I waited like a month for this case. If you guys don't know what this is the Lee & Lee 011 XL ROG. Now, I wish I could get rid of the ROG, but, I mean, that's part of the glass. I would have to literally get new glass, or I would have to laser etch it out or something like that. But that's one of the big things I wanted to do. And then this is put on his PC. Hi, I'm here. So I wanted to do that, but this is one of my updates that I wanted to give you guys. I know I haven't talked in like 2 months, but that's pretty much what I've been going to. And I'm going to give you like a little reel of this guy at the very end. And this guy, he's going to be going up for sale as soon as I get one of these buggers in there. No, the one in the oven, but like, you get what I mean. So, enjoy. Thank you guys for watching the video.
I just like the simple.